Hello folks, welcome to today's video. So after a long time seeing you all, feeling great. I have been shifting like from Rajasthan to Calcutta, and people have been questioning since the last few days that whether I have really left my job. Yes, guys, I have left my job at Hindustan Zinc Limited, and I have joined IIT KGP for their MBA program. I've joined Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur, for their MBA program, and it feels immensely great to have joined the program because I'm learning a lot. I'm growing with the organization. Now, many people have been questioning me. Then, what's your source of revenue? How are you going to earn money? You have taken such a drastic step in your life. Is leaving job a safe option right now in the pandemic, particularly in these situations? Well, let me clarify all these questions, and let me first tell you, like, when you go into a panel, the panelist first question that the interviewer will ask you, why MBA? Now, that's a different answer altogether. You will have to frame certain answers and tell them the answer that they want to hear. थोड़ा बना बुना के कुछ भी बोल दोगे, बट फर्स्ट यू विल हैव टू बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड कि आपको एमबीए क्यों करना है. व्हाई डू यू वांट टू डू एन एमबीए, और वेदर यू वांट टू डू एन एमबीए एट ऑल और नॉट. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू से व्हाई आई लेफ्ट माय जॉब and what is there in for me into the MBA program that I'm going to do from here on, and why have I at all chosen to do MBA from here on. It's a very important question. Why have I left such a lucrative job? Because I was earning pretty decent. I was earning about 65,000 per month, and I left that job just to do MBA, just for a degree. And I'm spending about 11-12 lakh rupees to study in an institute just for doing an MBA degree. It's not about a degree. It's about a degree, about the learnings, about the 2 years that you spend in one of the elite most colleges, one of the best colleges of India that you could have been, and from there the learnings that you gather and the jobs that you secure from there on, and whatever you do in life from there on, whatever learnings you gather is the most important thing. But people these days are reluctant to learn. They want to see the end result of it all, and I really want to cite you the end reason why you want to do it, or why you should be clear in your mind whether you should do it or not. And why have I done it? Well, first of all, let me tell you, one of the reasons is learning. For me, I am not going to show any placard or any type of a portrayal that why have I joined MBA. First of all, it is learning for me. But many of you might be like reluctant to learn. I have completed my BTech, and thereafter I will have to go again and study those same old things. First of all, it's a new ball game altogether, MBA and all. So whatever you are studying, let me first cite the thing that will be helping you throughout. The first thing, growth. If you can see this written right here, it's growth. It signifies GROWTH, growth, and it goes high and high on from here. When you complete your BTech, when you complete your engineering, and you join organization and try to work in there and try to gel up, the one thing that is hindered or is slow in an organization after a BE or BTech, unless and until you are doing groundbreaking work, is growth. If you want to grow really, then go for a higher degree, because higher degree adds value, adds that kind of a perk in your CV, that brownie points you get when you appear for that interview, or whenever you are working in an organization. If you have a higher degree, particularly if it's MBA, the growth is just going to be incremental. Let me tell you guys, I have seen people earning twice the salary that they joined with just in 2 to 3 years when it comes to MBA. And that's the strength of the MBA, that degree value that it provides to you. So in terms of value addition, growth is something that is very deemed for, and you can get it once after you complete your higher degree. That is one of the reasons that I also left my job, for growth. Well, second reason, let me tell you the second reason. Well, we all talk about this, but we do not want to talk about this publicly. We say learning, we say growth, we say opportunities, but we never talk about this thing, whereas all the way at the back of our mind we have been thinking about this. Yes, money, it adds value. Trust me friends, let's not lie to ourselves, let's not lie to you. Money is important, it adds value. Second is, money is important, it gives you the money. The starting salary after completing an MBA from a premier institute, tier 1 college, is going to be around 80,000 to 1 lakh, and nothing less than that. If you are doing decently well, if you are doing very good, then 1,20,000, 1,40,000 even you can bag on campus jobs. And in elite colleges, regardless of the current situation, Many people have been reluctant that what will happen since COVID-19 is there. Will I get the money? Will I get the growth? Will I get the opportunity? Yes. If you are in a Premier B school, you are going to get 100% placement. In fact, in our college also, they give 100% placement. They've recorded 100% placement for the flat 3 years, last 3 years. And ABC, ILK, there is nothing to mention. They have been having 100% placements throughout. So money and value addition to your CV, to whatever you do after your MBA or after your masters, any masters be it, increases 3-fold, 4-fold times. So better do it now or never. It's your age. The time is running out. So you need to not settle for what you have. Just go for it. Go for it. Have the zeal within yourself and fight back. Every time you fall down or every time the curve goes straight, try to fight back. That's what my motive is. Try to learn new everything. Try to break the shackles and try to redo what you have done throughout the time. So never settle for anything less. Third and last reason is this the final reason, designation and power. Very important, guys. No matter what people tell you, designation and power is very important. When you are doing a BE, one of my friends, very popularly, to quote him, he told me that I don't want to be in a situation 5 years down the line where I cannot take the call. I will have to ask for others' permission for the call. Well, if you are an MBA also, you will have to ask your boss for the permission, but then you are at a higher authority to guide people, to lead a team of people. If you want to be that leader, then go for it. Then go for your MBA, go for your masters. If you want to lead the organization, if you want to be the true leader who has the designation and the power to take decisions and to guide people. So if you want to take decisions, if you want to be the decision maker rather than the decision taker, so go for MBA. Because BE will just give you that initial boost up, MBA will sprout you off and give you whatever you deem in life. So masters or MBA is very important. That's why, because of these 3 or 4 reasons, primarily because of learning, I have left my job. Yes, I have, and I am proud of the decision, and I hope that I remain proud of the decision with the journey ahead. I need all your good wishes for the journey ahead. So I think the questions have been clarified. Whatever you were asking, that whether I have left my job or not, yes, I have, for the better good, and hope I do keep up to the expectations of you people as well by making continuous and regular videos. I am a bit in a hectic schedule, but I will try to do my best to cope up with that. And thank you very much for staying with me. If you liked it, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to get regular updates. That's all for today. Let's meet next week. Thank you.